Hey everyone, so coronavirus quarantine has been pretty boring, and so I have run out of options of what to do to entertain myself. I don't know about you, but today I'm going to show you how to Photoshop tattoos onto yourself, whether you have nothing else to do and this just seems fun, or if you do plan on getting tattoos and you want to know what they look like on your body before committing. Just stay tuned. Obviously, the first thing you're going to need is a photo of yourself or whoever you're doing this for, and a picture of a tattoo that you'd like to put on yourself. This is the one I chose, so all I'm going to do is drag and drop, and I'm going to resize it just to fit the arm. I can go here to opacity and just lower it around 40, just so I can see what's going on, and rotate it. Resize however you feel looks good. Okay, I'm good with that. Then you just go up here to the right and click the check. Now right here on the layers, I'm going to right click and press rasterize layer so that we can move it around however we want. And then where it says normal right up here, you're going to click and press multiply. So you can see it already looks much better, more natural. Now what you're going to want to do is just hide the tattoo layer for a second, like this, by clicking the eyeball. Go to the background layer, and then click any selection tool. I'm going to use the quick select, and just quickly select the area that you're going to put the tattoo on. That looks good for me because I'll be putting the tattoo in this section, and everything else will be cut off. So I'm going to go back to the tattoo, and once I know I have the selection perfectly done, I'm going to hit Command-Shift-I, or you can go up here to select and inverse. Then I'm just going to make sure you're on the tattoo layer and press delete. Now that should remove all the clutter from the outside. I'm going to go ahead and select, deselect, or just press Command-D. And that is looking pretty good. Now obviously this needs a little work. Here it's up to you to kind of delete what parts you want. I can choose to delete this entire part, or I can leave the circle. So just play around it however you feel. I'm going to use the lasso tool and just drag around. You can press F6 on your keyboard, or you can go to select, modify, and feather. And I have it at 5 pixels, that's pretty good. Press OK and delete. So you see that got rid of the extra parts. You can zoom in and kind of clean this part up, do the same thing. I'm okay with what it looks like just because I'm just showing you the idea. But that looks pretty good. Now here in opacity, I can bring it up or down as much as I want, depending on your photo and your taste. So I'm going to leave it at 42 for now. That looks pretty good, and that's basically it. You can leave it at that. What I'm just going to clean up is here at the bottom. I don't need some of the parts here on the elbow, just because they're distracting, so I'm going to get rid of some of the shadows here, and then we'll see what it looks like. Again, I'm going to hit F6 to feather, and press OK, and delete. That's looking much better. So I'm okay with this. It looks really natural before and after. Yeah, that looks really great. So that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to try it out, and like and subscribe down below for another video next week.